Afternoon. Welcome to another episode of Codewars with Brandon. Today we are working just on another simple AKYU. If you can't sleep, just count sheep. I'm going to solve this one again using JavaScript, and also I'll do it again in Python. So our task, given a non-negative integer, 3 for example, return a string with a murmur, 1 sheep, ... 2 sheep, ... 3 sheep, ... The input will always be valid. So for example, we'll get no negative integers. I'm going to solve this the most simplest way we can do it. So to start, let's start with an empty string. So we'll say we'll call it sheep string equal, and we're just going to put empty quotes because that's what we're going to start with. And also, if you can see down here, if we get 0, well, we're going to get empty quotes back, and that's what we want. Now we need to, based on our function and our num, return either 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, ... one after another, so no line breaks. And we have to do it based on our num function. We don't have to worry about negatives, we don't have to worry about anything like that. So we can do a simple for loop. So for, let's do let I equal 1, because we want to start with 1. I is less than or equal to num I plus plus. And the reason we're starting with 1 is because if there's 0 sheep, we're just going to get empty quotes back. So we're going to start with 1, and we're going to go to less than or equal to num, and not just less than num, because we want to actually get to the end of the sheep length. Now for this, we're going to do sheep string, and we're going to go plus equals, and we're going to do back quotes for our string literal, and we're going to do a bracket, and here we're going to put I for our index, and then we're going to go sheep ... Now you can either end it here with a semicolon. I'm putting this in .replace all, just in case, as a fail-safe. We can replace any line breaks with blank empty quotes. This way we know for a fact they're going to stay on one line. I don't think you need to do it, but I like it just in case. Now we just need to return sheep string. Let's test it. And let's attempt. And there we go. And that's how you solve it in JavaScript. Now let's move to the Python. Let's train again. And we're going to do something similar here. Let sheep string, or no, I'm sorry, we're in Python. Sheep string equals empty quotes. Now this one's going to be a little different. So for sheep in range 1 n plus 1. Sheep string plus equals f string. And again, we're going to do brackets, sheep for our count, sheep ... Here we do need a replace, .replace, and we're going to do again \n, comma, empty quotes, because we want everything in a straight line. And once again, we're just going to return our sheep string. Let's check it. And we're going to run it, and everything looks good. And we will submit. And that is the if you can't sleep, just count sheep problem in both Python and JavaScript. Hope you enjoyed it.